Hi, my name is Alicia Newman-Lorick. I'm a fashion stylist and publisher of the blog madlychic.com. I'm here today to tell you how to pack a dress shirt in a plastic bag. So the first thing you want to do is take the dress shirt and lay it in your suitcase sideways. Make sure that the back is completely straight and wrinkle-free. Then what you want to do is take something else to layer in between in the plastic bag. So we're going to take these jeans and just kind of put them on top, and again tweak a little bit so that you don't have any folds. Then I'm going to take the arms and fold them in at an angle. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to take this sweater and I'm going to open it up. And again, always tweaking to make sure that there are no folds or wrinkles, because if you've got a fold or wrinkle when your suitcase is open after closing it and then opening it hours later after a flight, you are going to have wrinkles. So we've got this folded without any wrinkles, and this folded without any wrinkles. Then what you want to do is fold the top over. And again, you're going to have to tweak and fold so there are no wrinkles. And you want to fold the wire top part, hanger, actually down, because you don't want to take up any extra room in your suitcase. And I'm going to rip the top a little bit so that I can. Now the other key is to bring wrinkle away with you. This is a fantastic product, and when you get to your destination, you want to take the shirt out, unfold the top part of the hanger, and hang it in the bathroom. When you shower, any little wrinkles should come out, and if they don't, spray a little wrinkle away on your shirt and it will take out any wrinkles. It loosens all the fibers in the fabric. It's fantastic. Just don't use it on silk. It's great for cotton or for denim or for sweaters, but not for silk. My name is Alicia Newman-Lorick of madlychic.com, and this was how to pack a dress shirt in a plastic bag.